Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having a fantastic day today. As you can probably tell, so I'm sure I'll put that other one up first, or who knows, this one should be pretty short. This one may be going up first. I just got done filming my mainly drugstore chit chat get ready with me, new stuff from Walmart, the drugstore video, and I wanted to try again. This will now be the third time doing the Tetris x Ipsy Game Over collection video, because both of the other times the audio got messed up. So frustrating. So hopefully we're not going to have that problem today. You can hear, I'm sure, the children in the back playing in the pool. That's neighbors' kids. It's summer, it's hot, and I don't mind listening to happy children. They're having a good time. Life is good. Summertime, I actually kind of wish I was in the pool with them because it sounds like a lot of fun. We're going to jump right into this video so that I can maybe get it edited and hopefully uploaded, because there's been way too long of a hiatus in my videos due to technical difficulties. I have shot several videos, probably now like 9, that end up they're useless. So I'm not real happy about that, but it is what it is. It happens. It's a learning experience. I'll grow from it. It'll be fine. Anyway, so here's the box. Kind of cool. It came looking like a PR package, and you got all the little Tetris shapes there. And then we'll open this up, and I know from the previous shooting of this one that I need to hold on to the pallets up here so they don't drop out. But here's what it looks like in the box. You have the 2 palettes, the Block Party Game On. This one down here is a highlighter. Of course, I'm sure you can tell the brushes. And then these 2 are lip glosses, and these 3 are lip balms. And if you watched my unboxing of my regular Ipsy from, was it May or June? I think June. That I received the Game On palette in my Ipsy and one of the brushes, and so the palette was in the Glam Bag Plus and one of the brushes was in the Glam Bag. And this is actually the palette from that subscription box, because I gave the one from the collection to my daughter because I don't need 2. But just in case you didn't watch that video, here is this palette. And with these chunkier ones here, you do need to use your finger to get a decent payoff. Otherwise, the mattes are all really good, very blendable. And even though there were colors that I would not normally use together, I did, and it was great. I liked it. I liked it a lot. But the other palette, because you could have gotten one of either one of these, is the Block Party palette. And this is what this one looks like. The shield. Also very, very pretty. I'd like to try this out. Now this collection is no longer available from Ipsy, but who knows, maybe if they get enough of a request, maybe they'll bring it back. You might be able to purchase it in like the secondary market, like maybe Poshmark, eBay, who knows, because people may get them, do videos like this, and then sell them because all they've done is swatch them. I'm actually keeping mine. I used to really love playing Tetris when it first came out, even though I wasn't very good at it, but I did enjoy playing. So I'm going to keep it as a collectible because I don't know if it's ever going to be available again. Then on the highlighter is this really chunky gold, and I'll swatch it again. I mean, it is intense. And let's go down the back of the hand. So as you can see, back and forth and back and forth. And it is intense. Now, I will probably not ever actually use this as a highlighter because yikes, but I think it might make a actually very, very pretty eyeshadow. We're gonna pop the brushes out real quick and just show those. And you get kind of this big fluffy angled brush. The bristles are quite soft. Not as soft as the Wayne Goss brushes, but soft. You have the typical metal ferrule on the brush, and then this is plastic with also the game piece. I guess it'd be game pieces? Shapes? I guess game shapes. And this one is a domed shadow or blending brush. I believe this is also the same as the ones I received in my glam bag. And then here's another, very much the same. Just kind of domed, really nice and soft. Metal ferrule, plastic handle. They almost kind of remind me of chopsticks. And then you get a flat liner brush. And an angled liner brush, which can also be used for the brows if you so choose. So the lip balms are the shades Leet and Mad Skills and Noob. Just hold them all up here together in the packaging. So we've got Leet, Mad Skills, and Noob. And they kind of look like bullet lipsticks with color on the outside and balm on the inside, or it's probably all balm. But this one is Leet. Now both Leet and Noob, I believe, have some color to them, but Mad Skills is clear. This one is Mad Skills. Nope, it is Leet and Mad Skills have color. And Noob, which is actually quite clear. So this one is Noob. I'm just swatching them side by side on the back of my hand. So let's get this to focus. So this one over here, this one is Leet, Mad Skills, and then Noob is just that shiny, could actually probably be like a, almost like a gloss, but not. And then last but not least, the two lip glosses. And as I'm sure you know, these are not gonna get a whole lot of use out of me because I don't like lip gloss. I know, I just don't. But they come in Tetramino and Matrix. So this one is Tetramino and this one is Matrix. You get a gold one and a kind of white, glittery, silvery kind of tone. So we'll just do those side by side on the back of my hand as well. And here we have then that gold one, Tetramino, and then Matrix is that more kind of whitish tone. And that's it. That is the Tetris X Ipsy Collection, in which rubbing it off actually using a makeup wipe that did take all of the color away, but you can, I think, a little bit still kind of see a couple of those balms really lightly. So that tells me that even once maybe the glossiness wears off, because it always does with a lip balm, that it may stain your lips a little bit as well. So if you want something to last all day It might, especially since, you know, usually those makeup wipes take everything off, but you might still want to either, if you're going to actually use it, pop it in your purse, your pocket, whatever, take it with you for touch-ups as necessary. But again, that's it for the Tetris X Ipsy collection. I believe the value was like 150, 155, and I paid, I think, 34. I'll look it up, put it in the description box below. But that's it. I just wanted to do a quick one so I can put this away. Hopefully it'll turn out this time. So, as always, if you like the video, please like the video. If you like me, please subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you all again in another video soon. Bye!